Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. In today's video we are going to solve the GDB of subject code FIN624 and its name is Islamic Modes of Finance. So it's a GDB number 1 and its closing date is Monday 6 June 2022. So let's move to the question description. Before this GDB covers the question title riba, which is also known as in common language generally interest. So let's start the uh, question description. One of the features of the capitalism is the interest-based investment. There are normally two participants in such transactions. Uh, there is a system capitalism and there are many features of capitalism. One of the main features of the capitalism is based on the interest-based investment. It means you are getting loan from the bank of financial institutions on the basis of some interest. So in this case, in such transactions, when you are going to lend money or borrow money, there are two participant in this transaction. One is creditor and the other is borrower. One is the investor who provides capital in the form of loan and other is the manager who runs the business, as I explained you earlier. The fund provider, investor or creditor lender has no concern whether the business runs into profit or loss. He automatically gets an interest in both outcomes at a fixed rate on his funds. So, in this type of transaction, the one party who labeled as the lender or provider of financer or provider of financial resources is uh, is free of the risk of loss. So, the other party who borrow the loan, he will burden the all losses if the business is bears. So what the other party means second party creditor, he get his profit in the form of interest uh, without any risk at a fixed rate which has been settled between the two parties. Islam prohibits this kind of transaction and supports profit and less sharing by uh, all parties. Sorry, loss sharing. When you are talking about the Islamic financing modes, so Islam strictly disallow to disallow to use capital or fund as in the form of capitalism and support profit and loss sharing basis transactions. Being a student of Islamic modes of finance, you are required to discuss the underlying wisdom behind these provisions. Support your answer with strong logical arguments. So, as a student of Islamic modes, you are asked to discuss the wisdom behind this provision, which is imposed by the Islam regarding such kind of instructions and meaning free of riba transaction, where both the parties are uh, sharing their efforts on the basis of profit and loss. Sharing their efforts means one party may be only input funds and the other party devote their efforts and labors, and in other case both party provide funds for the business in maybe in equal ratio or in different ratios and also devote their efforts and labors into the business to run the affairs of the business to earn profit. So, when you are discuss highlighting the wisdom behind this provision, you are also asked to uh, support your answers with strong logical arguments. So, let's move to the solution. Wisdom behind provision of interest or riba is that lender of money should also be share profit or loss of the business rather than just charging interest on non-money. Second point is that social and moral impact of riba becomes the cause of growing of greediness, selfishness, etc. in the society. And third, the deterioration of economy means exploitation of economic resources. Creditors are free of the factors like this as described in the given scenario in prices of sure return in the form of interest. as we have mentioned that in such kind of transaction, the one who provides funds, he on the basis of interest rate, he is not take care of the business affairs or the business earn profit or loss. Both cases, the creditors get return money in uh, as fixed amount as settled in the contract. Logical arguments not used as a factor of production. As you know, in economic sector there are four factors of production. So capital which is provided by the creditors on the interest basis is not participated in the productive activity as a factor of production. Money or wealth concentration in the hands of rich people. As a result of this, what happened? Rich people of the society lend money on the basis of interest rate, and what happened? All the money moved towards the hand of such rich people, and the majority of the people deprive from the benefits of the economical activities of the society or economy. So this is the solution from my side. I don't know how much lengthy it must be as per uh, Marks 5, as it is your assignment or GDB, and you know very well about the length of the solution. In regarding me, I think for 5 points I have given 5 points, so it fulfills the requirement of 5 marks. If you want to add something else, you must be at it. If someone has some opinion or suggestion regarding any point, so please drop your suggestion or opinion in comment section, or if someone disagree with this point, so also come up with your suggestion or opinion in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you like this video helpful, please hit the like button, hit the bell icon button, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.